name is Claude, and I am going to show you how I do trade setup. My strategy is based on, I use my app here. It's my Pialo app, the top 12 stocks from the S&P 500 and the Dow based on past performance. So I'm going to show you what I do as far as like being able to pick the winners. I'm looking at a normalization chart. Let's look at VLO, and that's my jam. That's my jam. All right, so if you don't know what my jam is, this is my jam. This is what I jam to. This is what I rock with. That's what I rock with right there. Higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low. Price breaks above the higher high, opens and closes above resistance, and now it becomes support. If I'm going to enter in this trade, I'm going to enter in right there. This would be the best time to buy this stock. Open and close above resistance was what I got, and I'm looking like if it goes back below here, then I'm out of the trade. But if it goes above here, then I'm looking for 3 black crows. 1, 2, 3. Like if I get 1, 2, 3, red means stop. I'm out. Right. I'm gonna go here and I'm going to buy the stock. And go to the chart. My sell is 138. 137.52. So let's 137.52. If it goes below 137.52, go ahead and sell it on off. Go ahead and send this to them. And my stop is here. My limit here is here, so I'm in it. Let's get something else going. IRM. Let's look at this. Let's look at this IRM one, because I mean it hasn't been like really competitive, but it is definitely, it's interesting. IRM, plus the fact that I don't know what IRM is. Let's look at that. IRM. Let's look at IRM. I like it. All right, so this is why I like it. This is why I like it. It was in a downtrend, then it broke above it. Higher high, higher low, broke above that. It came back up, then it kind of stayed in here, I guess. Now it's here. It hasn't really broke above this, which is 89.68. And then the fact that it's just kind of, the bears and the bulls are just kind of fighting over that mill. I think that I definitely would sell a put here. We're gonna sell a put at 90. As long as the price is above 90, which is to the right of 90, I make money. Every day that it doesn't go below 90, we benefit from time decay. Max profit is $150. Max loss $850. I could do that with my real money. Buying power effect, $850. So you need $850 to get into this trade. Credit cost, go ahead and send it on. Okay. All right, and we'll do a video to see how it works out. But now these strategies work with bullish stocks, and this application allows you to get stocks that are in a bullish state.